Okay, so we are making my cacao elixir. This is an upgraded video because we're in an upgraded fucking house. Firstly, I want to just like plug myself and be like, these fucking, well actually Shelby made these mugs, but I like to take some credit for it. We've got our own feminine as fuck mugs. It says I am feminine as fuck. So like obviously if you drink out of this, it's gonna be a vibe. So now firstly, if you're coming to my next event, you will get one of these mugs with a cacao in it for you to take home. But otherwise you can make it at home, but the mug won't be as cute, obviously. So let's make our cacao elixir. First things first is you need coconut cream. Now, I already have an open one. We're just gonna try and keep it looking pretty, but I'm gonna use the open one. So I'm making it for 3 people, but you know what? I make this much and it's gonna serve 3 of us, but like I drink the whole thing in the morning. So we're just gonna follow the lead. Okay, so if you don't wanna drink this much liquid, then don't, but it sometimes just clears you out in the morning, which is really nice. So about like this much-ish of coconut cream. Now I'm gonna put in a bit more to make it creamy, and also we have so much coconut cream because we like started hoarding because of coronavirus. So I'm putting in way more than needed, but put it this way. The creamier that you want it, the more coconut cream you put in, okay? Cool, not rocket science. And then put in the cacao. It doesn't really matter what order you put it in, but like whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna put in, again, the more cacao, the more cacao-y, the more cacao, the more chocolatey it's gonna be. So I sometimes like to lean on like the more conservative side and then add more as I go, because if you put too much in and it's like really dark and it's like you can't drink it, it's just like a bit much. So we're gonna put in like, I don't know, like 1 heaped tablespoon. I've just been like fucking around with this, whatever. About 1 heaped tablespoon, and then I'm also gonna put in a spoonful of collagen, like that. Okay, so that's the collagen. Then we're gonna put in whatever adaptogens that you want. So I have Holy Mountain's Universal Glow here, which makes your skin obviously glow. And then you can also put in like just whatever ones you want. So I've got this one, and then I've also got the magic mushrooms, a bit of magic mushrooms. Put a bit of that in. Now the trick is salt, not sugar, salt. So all you need is a little pinch, like this much. Then I'm gonna put in some peppermint oil. I mean, I like it pepperminty, so I'm gonna do 3 drops, but like, just be careful, because once you put it in, you can't take it out. And you don't want to like blow your eyeballs out of your brain. So peppermint oil I love. Now I vary, like some mornings I put XCT oil in, or like MCT oil if I'm needing like some brain boosting, but otherwise sometimes I don't. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in. Water, that'd be helpful. And then water. Popping the water in, so you can see that I like to have a lot of cacao. So I'm gonna put like that much water in. What's that? It says that it's like, what's this? Oh, it's in ounces. I don't know. Oh, cups. It says like maybe 4.5 cups of water. About that, whatever you want.
That's literally a liter of cacao.
That sounds about right. Okay, then we're gonna blend. So I'm gonna add a little bit more cacao in because it's not strong enough for my liking. I like it. Okay, now I'm pouring my baby in. Just don't like it dripping everywhere. Oh yeah, baby.